God. Where are we?
Let me check. Oklahoma City?
Oklahoma City? What?
This is cool.
Freaking art gallery in here. We were gonna go to this one place that seems like the most happening place here, but it was like all booked up and we were super bummed about it. So we chose this place with not super high expectations. This is probably the coolest place in the whole city.
Happy 21st birthday to me. Wheel.
Oh no, we're just going slow.
Glasses on, baby.
It's vegan.
Ooh, what is it?
Ginger cardamom cream pie.
Okay.
It's like fall in a cream.
Shrub soda. I don't really know what that is, but I heard if you're a kombucha fan, it might be good. This one's ginger, so I'll let you know if you like that. And if you personally like those, go ahead and leave the flavor you like in the comments below. Thanks, guys. Yes and no. A little too vinegary for me. You know, vinegar has like that feet taste. Just just a little bit, but still really good, like just a little stronger than a kombucha. Hi babies, so
You guys.
guys, at this point you've seen a few places to go in Oklahoma City, but there were a few places we weren't sure if we'd be able to take the camera. We were Ubering some of the places, so we wouldn't be able to just leave it in our car if we thought it was inappropriate to have the camera. We didn't want it to get like stolen or us just smashing it by accident or something like that.
So we went to a film premiere. Well, it wasn't a premiere, but it was like a premiere for the city. It was like the Real Rock film tour. We do this film tour like every year, and they have like, you have 4 to 5 different little, I guess you would call them mini documentaries or little films, and it's super, super cool. You know, we're both into rock climbing. That's something that you can't take the camera in and film. Like, you can't just take like your camera into the movie theater and just like film.
We didn't want them to tell us, oh, you have to leave your camera in your car. And that was the original reason we decided not to take it at all to these next 3 things we're gonna talk about.
We went to dinner at
The Loaded Bowl.
lo and behold, another vegan place. We're not vegan, we're really not.
But it's a little better for the environment. We got something exciting for you.
What is it? I don't know.
In our Denver video, we were looking for a good mac and cheese that was vegan. Watercourse Foods had a good mac and cheese.
They had good food overall.
Yeah, they had good
Let's not understate that.
Yeah, they had really great food. Especially the cauliflower that was like chicken, that was just so good. But the mac and cheese, though it was good, it was still just lacking in that mac and cheese flavor.
It was a little off.
But at this place,
They used cashew something to like mimic the cheese or something.
I think just cashews. You've seen a few things on Pinterest about like cashew cheese sauce, but I always thought that'd be nasty. But that's what they used, and it tasted like mac and cheese. It was really good. Check it out. It's vegan. You don't have to be vegan to go there. We'll have a few pictures around here.
Number 2, we went to the auditorium at the Douglas, which was like a historic building. They do like film screenings in the auditorium. So we went to the Real Rock Film Festival. It was the 14th one, and it was absolutely amazing. If you think you might want to just watch a movie about rock climbing, I highly recommend starting out with the Real Rock series.
It's more like a theater, but they had a projector screen come down.
Yeah.
So I'm sure they do a variety of different things. So go ahead, you can go to their website, check that out. We're gonna have that in the description box below, along with websites of all the other places we went to. So if you wanna check out menus or anything like that, it's gonna be down there. Number 3, if you're looking for the nightlife in Oklahoma City, I heard it's not that poppin', but this place was poppin'. It's
Okay, let me preface this. We were actually gonna go to a burlesque show. Like an old-timey stripper show, I guess.
Except they don't get all the way naked. Just kidding, we're gonna take that out of there.
Yeah, we looked it up and they said something about like a business casual dress code or something like that.
And we pretty much just like look like this. So, number 3 was the Flashback Retro Pub.
even if you don't drink, like this bar
Was
is
so
super cool.
cool.
Like, it was like an 80s themed bar, and they had all kinds of arcade games.
Free. They were free arcade games. So you pay $5 to get in, and then all the arcade games are free.
Yeah, so like there was Pong, Pac-Man, there was like G.I. Joe, Mortal Kombat.
Skee-Ball.
They had Skee-Ball, and they had a DJ like spinning tunes all night, and it was loud and popping in there. It was
And
great.
it was also old school tunes, nothing new, nothing like poppy new or anything like that. It was pretty cool. I got a Darth Vader shot. I got a Nerds shot. I got a mixed drink that was ring pop.
I kicked her ass and Pong.
That's a lie. And he sucks at skee ball, so probably you'll see some pictures of him sucking at skee ball.
But anyways, yeah, so you know, if you're out in Oklahoma City and you're looking for something to do at night, whether you drink or you don't drink, I mean, you could totally go to this flashback retro bar, because honestly the arcade games is enough for it to be worth it.
Those were 3 things that we didn't get to video, but the rest of the video before this should be everything that we did film and all the things that you can do. Oklahoma is a great city. We were a little bit skeptical at first.
When we came into the city, it was a Saturday. I think we went to go get brunch, and it just seemed dead. You know, there was like not a lot of people around at all, which is super odd for a city. But honestly, it really livened up, and then we kind of got these vibes of like Oklahoma City is like, it's an artsy city, but it's a different kind of art that thrives here. It's more of like a 3D kind of art, more of like a immersive type art, which you'll see. I don't know, but it was super, super cool.
And it was like everywhere. It wasn't, we went to one specific place and it was this kind of art. It was like all the different places.
Obviously, Factory Obscura was immersive art. That's their thing. But like, even when we went to the art gallery, they had a lot of 3D pieces.
At brunch.
They had a lot of cool, like, just different pieces. So.
And then the bar was very different than any bars that I've ever heard of. So.
And shout out to this Airbnb. This is one of the coolest Airbnbs we've ever stayed at. To everything from the pull-down bed to like the sliding wood door. They actually have a sheet here, and they run a bookstore here in Oklahoma City called Commonplace Books. And apparently they have like a little cafe in there, and it's a cool bookstore. We didn't get the chance to go because we didn't have that much time, but if you're here, you should totally go, and you should stay at this Airbnb. It looks like it's called, what is that?
The 300 house?
Yeah, the 300 house.
So if you're wanting to check it out, it's a tiny house. It really is like an experience. That's why we wanted to get it. We're really curious about tiny homes, so it was really cool. So if you're into tiny homes, or even if you're not, you kind of see the background here. You'll see more videos about it. Oh, well, I guess you already saw them. But I really recommend this place. It was really nice.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun here. So if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna say that.
If you guys enjoyed this video, we would really appreciate if you hit the like button and gave us some
Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And make sure to comment below and tell us what kind of videos you guys would like to see in the future. And don't forget to check the description box. We're gonna have lots of cool links over there for you about Oklahoma City. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks.